How's it going, everyone? It's Sam coming at you from the new office. Now, this is not done. We're just moving now, and I saw some pretty big news I want to cover, but like I said, we are moving, so I just want to cover it just for a minute here. Now, Bitcoin is falling down. It's fallen down a decent amount. They're actually falling below 26,000 for a little bit, which is below the 200-week moving average, which, as we said in the last video, is a key area that we've been hoping to hold support at. Now, we're right below it now, or pretty much right at it. So hopefully we bounce right back up. But this was spurred on by some pretty big news, not good news necessarily. Binance, unfortunately, said, today we're announcing that Binance will be joining other prominent crypto businesses in proactively withdrawing from the Canadian marketplace. Now, this is not the US, so just know that. We would like to thank those regulators who worked with us collaboratively to address the needs of Canadian users. Albeit a small market, it held sentimental value for us as the home country of CZ. We had high hopes for the rest of the Canadian blockchain industry. Unfortunately, new guidance related to stablecoins and investor limits provided to crypto exchanges makes the Canadian market no longer tenable for Binance at this time. We put off this decision as long as we could to explore other reasonable avenues to protect our Canadian users, but has become apparent that there are none. Our remaining Canadian users are receiving an email with comprehensive information on how this will impact their accounts going forward. While we do not agree with the guidance, we hope to continue to engage with Canadian regulators aimed at a thoughtful, comprehensive regulatory framework. We are confident that we will someday return to the market when Canadian users once again have the freedom to access a broader suite of digital assets. Now, this caused a little bit of fear in the market. This caused there to be a sell-off. Makes sense, right? Whenever there's less liquidity, when there are exchanges being forced out of certain areas, it's harder to get money in to buy up these assets. So some people proactively sell off just in case there are people in Canada that have Binance that are just literally going to sell off their assets. Instead of trying to withdraw them, some people will just sell them. So I think that does make sense. It's not great news. I wish that wasn't the case, but unfortunately with Canada and especially with the US, just because I know how it works here in the US a lot more and what's happening, the fact is that the regulators are not making this a conducive environment for people to be buying crypto and to be using crypto. So hopefully that changes, but until then, we will have to continue to pay attention to it. Take your crypto off exchanges, put it on a Trezor wallet. I just bought a significant position actually yesterday. Really significant position for me in crypto compared to my portfolio. I have largely Bitcoin and I have largely Ethereum, but I did talk to my Patreon group about a new crypto token. If you want to know what that is, you can check out the link to the Patreon underneath the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.